Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the in-game map within the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device, and once it is opened up, you can continue playing from where you left off previously, and you can also start a new game if you wish. Now, within your game, if at any time you wish to access your game map, then you can do this by two different ways. You can directly tap on the M button within your keyboard, and this will open up the game map right away. From the game map menu, you may also access other menus for your perks, the roster, as well as challenges and inventory. Now just make sure that you are within the map screen, and you can now use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out to see the entire map of the game. The areas that you have already discovered will be shown in color, and the other areas will be covered in a mist. You can zoom in to any area, and wherever you see the forward icon, you can simply click on it to fast travel to this location. You may also set up waypoints to travel to any location by simply clicking on the right mouse button in order to set a waypoint for you to travel to this location. You can also access the same menu by pressing the tab button on your keyboard. And through these methods, you will easily be able to access your map within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to access your map on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.